Hello guys. If I ask you what is the 30% of 40, how we are going to do it and where do we actually start? In this video we are going to learn how to find the percentage of a number step by step. In the previous videos, we learned how to convert between percentages, decimals, and fractions. And in this video, we are going to use these conversions to find the percentage of a number. First of all, off means multiplication. 40 will stay as it is. And as for the percentage, how can I use it in my calculation? The first method is to turn it into a fraction. Very good. And here the whole number, 30 over 100 multiplied by 40, whole number. I can write any whole number over 1. And there we go, we are back into multiplication of fractions, which we discussed in a previous video. We can do the cancelling by dividing these two by 10 or cancelling zeros. Also, I can cancel another 0 from here and here. I will get 3 over 1 multiplied by 4 over 1. Simply apply the multiplication rule, which is up by up and down by down. I will have 12 over 1, or I can simply say 12. So what is the 30% of 40? The answer is 12. Let's take another example. In this case, again, I will turn off into multiplication, 90 will stay as it is. And in this method, I'm going to turn the 70 not into a fraction, which is by the way correct, but I want to explain another method with you, which is turn it into a decimal. And remember, in a previous video, we learned how to turn the 70% into a decimal by simply the decimal point, move it 2 steps to the left and fill the empty spaces with a 0. It will become 0.7. And that's how we do it. So it will become 0.7 multiplied by 90. We can apply the multiplication of decimals, and by doing it in the long multiplication, which I also explained in a previous video, you can check it out. Simply, I will count how many digits do I have in the decimal world. I have 1. Very good. So I'll do the multiplication 90 times 7 without the decimal point. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 9 is 63. Very good. I have 1 in the box. That means I'm moving 1 step to the left from the most right. The answer will be 63.0, or I can simply say 63. And that's how we do it. And now, to wrap it up, let's take one more example. Very good. Let's get started with the first method. I'm gonna do it in both ways. So 40% is 40 over 100 of 70. Okay, here the whole number will be over 1. Apply the cancelling. 0 and 0 here will be cancelled, and here another 0 will be cancelled. I will have 4 over 1 multiplied by 7 over 1, which gives me 28. So the answer here is 28. Perfect. Let's do it in the other method, which is turning the 40% into a decimal. It will become 0.4 multiplied by 70. Long multiplication. I have only 1 digit in the decimal world. I will put it in the box. 70 multiplied by 4. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 7, 28. Go back 1 step from the most right. It will become 28.0. That means the answer here is also 28. And that's how we do it. Tell me guys in the comments below, which method do you prefer, using the fraction method or the decimal? As you can see, both of them will give us the same answer. It's up to you guys to choose whatever you prefer. Now in this video we learned how we find the part of the whole. In the next video, we'll reverse the process and find the whole number. Like in this case, 40% of what number gives me 24? And that will be it for the next video, and I will see you next time.